Hi everyone, welcome back to Lee Baker's 1293 engine and gearbox build. Today I'm going to be fitting the gearbox back onto the block. So I'll get all my bits and pieces sorted and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, the first job is to fit the gaskets. One at the front, one at the back. Use gasket sealer on this. On the side. It's always best to use a good quality gasket sealer on these surfaces because they are prone to leak if you don't. I'm just going to put you on time lapse for the rest of this. Okay, right, gaskets are on, half moon seals on. Time for the gearbox now, which is just down here. I haven't fitted the diff to this yet, makes it a lot easier to pick up. Place that over, make sure it's lined up. There you go. Just make sure the seal is good in there. Yep. Brilliant. Right, I'm just going to put you back onto time lapse now. While I do the bolts up, otherwise I'll be here all day. Okay, what's the gearbox on the engine now? All new hardware. There's no diff in it yet, because we're having trouble getting a hold of a 4-pin diff. But as you can see there, the timing cover's back on now. New water pump. All new hardware around there. So yeah, there you go, gearbox back on. You can come off the engine stand now. So on the next one we'll be hopefully doing the cylinder head and finishing off the engine.